Gold and silver both traded extremely bullish yesterday. Specifically, silver has breached the $32 mark and we have seen it going closer towards the recent highs at 32.4, while gold has already seen the record highs, and in fact today's session also it has breached the critical milestone at 2670. So now what to expect today? Which position you should take, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver. We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. This is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis, clear entry, and exit points. So do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch till gold on the early charts after taking the support from the 20 period. We have seen it rising. Now again it is trying to create a bullish flag formation. Let it stay below 2654, then you can expect it to keep moving towards 26. Now 2650, 54, 55 zone is going to remain critical for gold today. Any drop below this zone is where we can see slight bearishness prevailing, where we can look forward to 2640 levels again, which is going to remain a prime support. The stance of gold right now, it is not supportive of the bears, but once it stays below this zone at 2655, 54, you can look forward to a greater down move here. The stochastic looking down, MACD after staying bullish now trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here, trying to cool down a bit. Coming to 2 hour charts, if you look at the 2 hour charts, rise, retracement, then again this is the bull run which it is continuing, taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Here also see it is retraced towards 20 period, now trying to bounce back. Now every rise has been offset with a little dip. So yes, it could come towards 2650 levels, but again it appears that we may see it consolidating before taking a direction here. It can wait for the moving averages to climb up a little, retrace towards moving average, that is around 2640, 45, and then bounce back. So this expectation is there that if it drops below 2654, 55, we can see slight bearishness towards 2650, 48, and then 2640 levels are possible. 2640 is now going to be one of the prime support levels. The stochastic overbought here, MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, RSI staying extremely overbought. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart, see what has happened. It was trading outside Bollinger Band. So you've seen it breaking out with this candle, hitting the highs at 2670, 71, and now trying to pull back. So once it stays below now 2654, 55, we can say this could be the first bearish candle, and then there could be a follow-up candle as well, which can take the prices further down. So the closer of the current candle is going to be important here, where it closes. Any drop below 2654.55 should be a good sign for us to take a selling entry for 2650.48 and 2640 levels here. Possibility is there. Yes, despite it trading in the bullish direction, and there is a possibility of a little retracement as it is hitting the highs. It can hit the lows of this channel, which is right now at around 2640 levels. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI staying extremely overbought. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, see a flat top outside Bollinger Bands, trying to retrace. Possibility exists that it can breach below the lows from the preceding candle. The preceding candle had the lows at around 2655, 56, and thus it appears that the current candle might take further dip towards 2654. And in fact, lower levels are possible, and this could be the first in the series where we can see a couple or more candles with moderate body size where the prices can retrace towards 2640 exist here. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI extremely overbought here. So gold has certainly come towards an extremely overbought zone. Coming to the day, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier uh, transactions and withdrawals, global presence, and all the instruments to trade from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can see straight bullish candles after a bit of retracement here. We have seen gold flying high. It is trading in this bullish channel here. Higher highs are done. And just look at these few highs here. You can find out gold still has a scope till towards 2675, and but I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 2670 levels. Then See, 2670, 71.5 should be a good resistance, and then 2676. If these two levels are taken, again we are looking forward to a stronger bull run on the upside, which can in fact take it towards 2685 and 2700 levels. 2685 and 2695 are the two key levels on the upside, which it needs to break, and then we can say that the bulls will be staying here for a while. Right now, I can see too much of divergence of the price calls for it to converge. Let's see if today is the day for it to converge. Stochastic is staying extremely overbought, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards, and RSI is overbought as well. Considering this, I will in fact recommend you to sell here at 2658, 59 zone itself. Expect 2654, 55 first, 2648, 50 second, and 2640, 42 levels, which are going to remain stronger support levels. The third target level below 2640, 42 is where the bears are waiting, and then we can look forward to a good move towards 26, 25, 24 levels. But I think the such a stronger drop looking at the moment appears to be difficult, that it is going to break below 26, 24, 25. But these are markets. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry now 2666, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 2670, 71.5, and beyond that you can look forward to a move towards 2676, 2685, and 2695 levels. I am still having my apprehensions reserved for such a strong move now today. Yesterday already we have seen a good move, and since last 4 to 5 sessions you have seen gold rising extremely high from 25 close to 25, 50, 60 zone. Already $100 of move is done, so possibility of a little retracement exists. Just on the upside we have to be still cautious. However, once it breaches 2670, 71.5 and 2676, certainly you can just stay bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the early charts created a flat top here, 3220, 3230 zone. Now this is a strong hurdle which it needs to break, 3220, 3230, and remember 3240 was the last highs which we had seen recently. So 3220, 3240 is going to remain one critical zone. What has happened after hitting the peak here? It is now trying to give a break here on the downside. So if it stays 3190 levels, when you see the higher prices below 3190, you can take a selling entry towards 3175, 70 as the first target, 3150 as the next. Now 3150, 3140 is going to be one prime support which it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Right now, yes, it has created a flat top. It is trying to retrace. There is the possibility of a little retracement, but I will still not treat this as completely bearish or complete reversal as long as it stays above 31. Now 31 appears to be a distant milestone for now. Stochastic dropping sharp, MACD after staying sharply bullish, now it is crossing over here and a sharp turn it has taken. This appears to be a strong bearish indication, so possibility of a retracement exists here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what has happened? Similar observation here. See, a flat top is seen, first bearish candle. I will wait for the next candle. Once you see it is staying below 3190, the higher prices below 3190, you can take a selling entry. We can expect a move towards 3175. 70 at the first and 3150 levels possible. Yes, too much of divergence calls for it to converge, but what it can do is wait or move slowly so that the moving averages climb up. 3150 levels definitely going to remain one prime support, below which more bearishness will prevail. If you look at the movement of silver on the 2 hour charts, you can find out it is trading in this bullish channel. Possibility of a retracement towards $31 levels also exists strong. Let's see if it gives a stronger slide today. Stochastic dropping sharp from the overbought zone. MACD after staying bullish now trying to converge on the 2 hour charts. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, what has happened? See, double top is seen, one swing candle, second one continuing over here on the downside. We can see it hitting lower lows, and in fact, see one stronger bullish candle. Then now it is retracing. I do not expect that this complete move is going to be raised here, but yes, a little retracement on the downside can be seen here, where the prices can keep moving towards 3150, 40 zone. Possibility exists is strong. If you look at the movement for silver also, see, after a stronger rise, retracement, after a stronger rise, retracement. Now after a stronger rise, it could retrace here again, though the channel support levels here on the downside are tilted towards 31, 31.20, but such a stronger drop appears to be difficult looking at the move. But yes, once it starts to slide, there could be stronger bearish momentum prevailing here. Profit booking might kick in. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 4 hour. Also on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, a double top is seen, preceding candle, a swing candle, current candle continuing on the downside. Possibility exists that we may see lower lows. We may see it moving towards 31, 70, 75 zone, and from there further downside can be seen here, where we can look forward to the next support at 31.4050, below which more bearishness may prevail. Yes, the same formation what we had seen here could prevail here. After a stronger rise and divergence, it could converge. After a stronger rise and divergence, it could converge, and the same is happening here as well. Now, on the upside, remember, it is still staying bullish. So once it breaks beyond 32.20, we have to initiate a buying entry again. Once it stays beyond 32.20, we can look forward to 32.40.50. See, 32.40 was the recent highs. Again, I am highlighting this recent highs we have seen few months back, and thus 32.40 is going to be one critical level which it will try to reach, if not today, possibly this week, is some point of time. And once it stays below 32.40.50, you can expect silver to head towards $33 levels very, very soon. But right now it is retracing. Right now it wants to capture some of the move from yesterday, and then we will see how it behaves. If you look at the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart, if you look at the daily chart, the candle started with the wick here already on the upside, which suggests that it can continue here on the downside. And this suggests that if it drops below 31.40.50 zone, I think the pullback, complete pullback or reversal, is going to be difficult thing. As long as it stays above 31.40.50, we can expect that there are chances of a possible, or there are chances of a reversal. But once it drops below 31.40.50, chances will minimize, and then we can look forward to a move which can erase, in fact, complete all the gains from yesterday. And then 31.30, 31.20, $31 levels should become the greater support here. Also, if you look at the formation rise, retracement rise, it could retrace. And if you connect the dots here, higher lows are here, higher highs are here. The support levels till 31 are going to remain very, very strong. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, and RSI near to the top. So looking at this first buying entry, when you see the lower prices above 32.20, stay bullish. We can look forward to 32.40.50, and then in fact the chances are towards 32.78 and $33 levels can be expected if it stays below 30, beyond 32.40.50. The looking back or the down move is not going to be there. We can look forward to a move towards 32.78, $33 levels. While on the downside, because we expect a retracement, you can sell here at 31.90 itself. When you see the higher prices at 31.90, take a selling entry, expect it to move towards 31.75-70 zone, first target, and then 31.50-40 the next targets. Below 31.50 and 40, I think the complete reversal is going to be difficult. Either it is going to stay in zone, or below 31.50-40 you can just stay bearish further towards 31.20 and $31 levels as the next targets. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update with detailed analysis and targets before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.